guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. So this is my first video that I'm filming in 2020. I'm super excited about the new year. I love it when it's new year because it's time for us to refocus on our goals and um try new things and everything. Like literally everyone is always waiting for new year to like lose weight, gain muscles, whatever stuff that you would want to do. I've got so many projects that I'm working on in 2020 and I'm just super excited. So anyway, let's go on with this video. So this video is a makeup look that I want to create. So you guys know that my life has changed a little bit dramatically. I've got a newborn baby now and I've got a grade one baby, so I'm definitely always on the go because I'm always waking up early in the morning. I have to do lunch boxes, I have to be a mommy, I have to do school run, but I always want to slay, guys. I really want to slay. So this makeup look is like an easy go-to makeup look that I usually do when I really want to do makeup and I really want to like slay. So anyway, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the makeup brushes that I got from a company called Crush Zimbabwe. They're an online based company. Like literally they're fully online based company. They have no physical address, but they ship nationwide, which is amazing because I love how this online vibe coming up in Zim, because I definitely don't have time to go to a shop just to go get brushes. So I like it when things just come to me. So they accept bond, US dollars, and Eco Cash, obviously at a rate. It's the daily rate because well, we all know. So anyway, I guess you saw them on my Instagram page because when I got them, they usually send with FedEx, and FedEx takes about 24 to 48 hours. Mine came in 48 hours, and FedEx called me in the morning to expect my package. Like they called me at 8 and my package came at 10. Amazing. I love that service. I love Brush Crush's service. So these are the brushes that I got. Ooh, I hope they don't get washed away. So yeah, I might insert a picture because my lights are really literally washing them away. But they've got a unicorn wand and they're so pretty in gold and rose gold. They're so pretty. They're so pretty that I'm even like contemplating not using them, just like putting them up there so that I can just like look at them. But anyway, um they're so amazing and they're white and their bristles are made of synthetic fiber. I really love synthetic fiber because all the other fibers, the mink and the human and whatever stuff, they make my skin react, and you wouldn't like that in like brushes. So this brush set we $15 US, but they've got a whole range of brushes that they have. So because these are gifted, I know you probably expect me to like say all good things about them, but then I've got only one problem. I haven't used all of them. I just used like I think one or two, but I'm not such a big fan of the foundation or their foundation and powder brush. I haven't used it on the powder, but then you're going to see me using them throughout this video. So I literally would love to try this out. For my foundation, I usually like a pegged brush like this one. This is my old brush, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I like a really pink brush because I literally have to put the foundation in because y'all know my skin is not as amazing as it should be. So okay, so we're just gonna go on and do this video. So in this set, I have an angled brush for contouring. I've got another contouring brush. I've got a foundation brush, and I've got an eyebrow. I've got two eyebrow brushes and a fan brush, which is so pretty. Yes. Alright, so you're just gonna see me using them throughout the video. So let's just get right into it. Okay, using my concealer brush and my Volt concealer, I'm going to put out concealer all over my face okay, I'm just gonna be looking in my mirror. It's right there. I just like to put concealer all over my face. So I have spots all over the place. I have a bit of brown like light brown spots all over my face. That's how I really put concealer all over. And also concealer makes it easy for when I apply my foundation. And I also, okay, get ready to see me white. So using my blender, my wet blender, I'm just gonna blend this all in. Okay, now I look like a ghost. Look so ghostly. Alrighty, now that we look like a ghost. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put on my foundation. This concealer is light. It's very light because I use it to conceal my eyebrows as well. So anyway, using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. Okay, so for this look, I'm not going to use a brush from Brush Crush. I'm going to use my pegged foundation brush because I really like this one. Okay, so now that we're back to another ghostly phase. Okay, so I'm using the concealer in the foundation F13. I think I should get in F13.5 or F12.5 or something like that, because this one has orange undertones and I'm not so sure if I'm orange undertone or yellow undertone, but yeah. Anyway, so using the Brush Crush powder or foundation brush, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder in light medium. I got this from Imani Beauty. I really love this foundation and it looks so pretty. Ooh, it's so pretty and shiny. Alright. Okay, so using this brush, let me see how. Oh, I really like how it applies. I kind of judged it a little too soon. Okay, so now I'm just putting all this powder so I can set my makeup. So I like to really dab in all the products that I use for my face so that I can really get that full coverage look that I really like. And I like this. I like this powder. I love this powder. Alright, so next up, this is what I do. I'm using my Makeup Revolution Pro HD Amplified palette. So this one has so much browns that I like. So I just put a little bit because you don't want to like spend so much time doing that. So I'm gonna be using two of my Brush Crush eyeshadow foundations. So yeah, I definitely like starting with a little bit of an orange. Oh, let me show you guys. Putting this little orange. Okay, so this is enough. It just brings out a little orange. I hope you can see it. So I'm just gonna darken the end of my eyes. I don't know what that's called. With a bit of a brown, with a light brown, like this one, or this, between these two. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm just gonna use my other Revolution eyeshadows. This one has a bit of glimmer eyeshadows. So I'm gonna use this detailed eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna take a gold because I really like the gold. It's very easy to work with. see the gold, it's a little bit there. So using my orange, the brush that I was using for orange, I'm just gonna like blend that in a little bit. I've got friends who are makeup artists, and they always tell me to like blend to blend my eyeshadow. So it's subtle, but it's there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. All right. So guys, one of the things that I really have to stress out is use the right products for your look, because if you're using like bad products, you take forever trying to get things going. I learned this because of the eyeliner. I used to have like problems putting on eyeliner, like it would come out so bad. But now that I got the elf eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, it gets easier. It's bad because I'm not like a professional, but it's easier to like put it on and to make a makeup look that's easy. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on. See what I'm talking about? It's a bit easier. And if you're not a professional like me, you need this. Okay, like I said, I'm not an expert, so yeah, this is what I can do. Okay, so another thing, I got this liner for my under eye from Imani Beauty as well. I really love this liner because it's easy to use. And voila, my eyes are better. Done. This literally took me less than a minute. No, but yeah. And also my waterproof eyeliner from Essence. These are really cheap, guys. Like the eyeliner, I think was the eyeliner from Alpha, I think was $4, and the pencil was like $1 or something. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, they're not so expensive. So back then, this used to take me forever to do my eyes, but now it's super easy and it's super straightforward because of the new products that I bought, and also because I'm in a hurry, so I'm like doing it a bit faster. So anyway, after that, I definitely need to contour a bit of my face. So I'm gonna use the contour brush that I got. So I'm just gonna like highlight my face. I'm using my Makeup Revolution thing. This thing is busted, guys. Like, yeah, those are. But anyway, I'm just gonna use that to highlight a little bit. I don't do much of the highlight. I'm just like putting a little bit of some. I wanna slay. So I'm gonna use the angled brush to contour my face, and I'm still using my Makeup Revolution busted thing. I definitely need to use a little bit of this from this powder. Like I said, like contouring and highlighting, now I'm using powder because powder is faster and easier to work with. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this. So I definitely don't like to over contour my forehead because I have a problem with my forehead. It doesn't want to, its foundation doesn't stick on it, so I just like try to stay away from that. But yeah, some definition to my face, and voila, I'm done. So I'm gonna use my angled brush to put on some highlighter. I love highlighter, and I love this gold highlighter from Makeup Revolution palette that I like actually. Remember the other day my little brother was like, Mota, do you realize that you have some gold things on your nose? I'm like, yep, that's what it's supposed to do. So the next thing is literally the last thing that I do is put on my lips. So when I'm doing like a really laid back look like this one, well, not laid back, but like a really fast look, I definitely go for my red or bright colors, because everything else is a bit settled and I don't have lashes. Lashes makes my makeup game go a bit high up on the scale, but because I don't put lashes right now because it's really hard to do, I'm just gonna use a red lipstick. Normally I would go for nude, but yeah. Alrighty, so I've got two lipsticks that I normally use. This is the fake Kylie Jenner red lipstick that I bought from town. I think this was like $1 or something. And this is the LA Girl matte lipstick. So this matte lipstick is not really red, but I really like how it looks. It's got this a bit of like a light red. For some reason, these lipsticks from, I think I bought it at Kwame Mall, if I'm not mistaken, this chip lipsticks works best. Like, I don't know how that works, hey. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup look, and to finish things off, I'm just gonna spray my Essence Instant Matte setting spray. Yes, I sure. Okay, so this is the final look. So every day after my makeup, I always have to think to wig it or not to wig it. I don't know, today I'm not wigging it, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead with my natural hair, which is blonde. Kind of like, it's working for me. I love it. So okay, so this is my normal look that I just like go out and do errands when I really want to like slay and do whatever stuff. But anyway, yeah, what do you guys think? So anyway, about the brushes, guys, I really love the brushes. I was a bit iffy about the foundation powder brush, but it works out well, especially if I'm using it as a powder brush, not as a foundation brush. But yeah, I really love all the brushes, and especially the fan brush. It works really well. It makes things glide on well on my skin. So yeah, I'm in love with these brushes. Oh my god. So anyway, guys, what do you guys think of my look? What do you guys think? I hope I'm not being washed away, because I hate it when I'm washed away by these lights. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, so if you guys want to buy the brushes, you can, I'll leave a link down below, a link and a phone number, and you guys can just check it out. So alrighty, later. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and to like my videos, and I'll keep putting out more videos for you. Bye.